What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stube back again with week 4 of the Indigo Invitational Draft League. So this week we are going up against our friend Twinner. Done a few different leagues with Twinner before. I think for the most part I've been able to take him down, so hopefully we can continue that little streak here and keep the ball rolling with our 3-0 record right now. So, kind of giving you a breakdown of the team that he has, potential mons. So, first off being the Annihilate, kind of a staple in every draft league or whatever. There's going to be an Annihilate just because it's so good. Final Gambit, definitely a problem. Drain Punch, definitely a problem. Rage Fist, definitely a problem, considering I do have 2 ghost types on my team, so this could be an issue. Runs Defiant, but I don't have any, stat lowering moves or anything like that, so hopefully we, don't have to worry about that. Definitely a scary mon to deal with. High Dragon, definitely another scary mon to deal with. Has Levitate. I know he likes to go Terra Electric to deal with, or to just get rid of, basically just not have a weakness. Can run Tailwind, has pretty high special attack, has some decent bulk. So we could see some Tailwind stuff with some, some Heat Waves, some Draco Meteors. Could see some Taunt shenanigans. Not sure what this can do because it can do so much work. Next is the Galarian Slowbro. This is definitely going to be a problem with the Quick Draw, Quick Claw shenanigans. Gets pretty good coverage too. Decent typing and Psychic Poison. Might be a little bit of a problem. Has some decent bulk, but it is pretty slow. So, if it's not getting that Quick Draw or Quick Claw boost, we should be able to take care of this pretty easily. Mouse Hold, we already know this thing is a problem with Population Bomb. It could run some kind of like Follow Me, Super Fang, Taunt, Thunder Wave, something else, but for the most part, I think he's just gonna go and click Population Bomb, probably run the Wide Lens with like Technician or something like that just to deal with that extra damage. Alolan Raichu, I'm not really sure what we'll see from this. It does have Fake Out potential, does have Nuzzle, Thunder Wave. I don't know why I would run Thunder Wave over Nuzzle, but who knows. Volt Tackle does some decent damage, but it is a special attacker. Does get some pretty decent coverage, but we should be able to deal with this pretty well. It does get Electric Terrain and Surge Surfer, but I don't think he really has any way to get Electric Terrain up other than just putting it on and using it. So who knows if he's going to do that. Next we have the Serena. Queenly Majesty is broken. Grass moves, High Jump Kick, Fighting moves. Gets Play Rough, Seed Bomb, U-Turn, then Headbutt. Acrobatics. Doesn't seem like it's too big of a deal for us to deal with. It is super effective on Great Tusk, but yeah, I don't see this being a huge threat if he does decide to bring it. Then we got the Gastrodon. The Gastrodon, I don't really like facing up with this mon. I really only have one mon that can deal with it pretty efficiently. In the Breloom, so we'll definitely be bringing him this week because Gastrodon is just tanky and a problem. So, gets that Storm Drain. Part of the reason we're not bringing any water Pokemon or water moves or anything like that, because the Storm Drain, if he swaps into that, gets that special attack boost. It's really going to start teeing off on my team with Earth Powers or Ancient Powers or Surf or Hydro Pump or who knows what he's going to bring out. Could even throw a Sludge Bomb out at me. Next is the Ampharos. Don't really see this being brought. Has decent special attack, decent bulk, but Great Tusk deals with this pretty efficiently. Lurantis, this thing is just so slow. And I don't see much of his team being like Trick Room or anything like that. I don't really see any Trick Room setters or anything, but you know, if we see this, we got Skeletors to deal with this thing. And then Stonejourner. This thing does get Wide Guard. If he does decide to bring that, it might be a little bit of a problem, but it has no special bulk whatsoever, so Goldango is just going to eat this thing alive. But that's his team. So this is kind of the team that we brought, that we're putting together here. So first off is the Great Tusk, running the Assault Vest just in case he does bring those Grassmons, and you know, maybe he brings Lurantis or something like that, or you know, anything, maybe the Slowbro hits with a Psychic or something like that. But rocking Headlong Rush, Close Combat, Ice Spinner, and Rock Slide. Just some coverage moves there to kind of deal with everything that could be thrown at Great Tusk. Next is the Goldango, running a Life Orb set this week with Make It Rain, Dazzling Gleam, and Psychic. I thought about Shadow Ball, but I really didn't think it was 100% worth it, just because there wasn't that many things that it was super effective against, so opted for the Psychic instead. Next we brought the Skeletors, running a especially defensive set with Torch Song, Earth Power, Will-O-Wisp, and Protect, bringing that Throat Spray to double up with the Torch Song boost, and then Earth Power to deal with the Slowbro if we need to, as well as, you know, things like Stonejourner, Ampharos, or the Raichu, Stonejourner if he needs it. You know, deals with a lot. Ground kind of deals with this team pretty well. Next, bringing the Indeedee, pretty much a staple of my team with the Psychic Seed. Rock and Follow Me, Helping Hand, Trick Room in case we need to reverse Trick Room, and then Dazzling Gleam just for some kind of damage. Then we're bringing the Breloom, Loaded Dice, Technician set, Mach Punch, Bullet Seed, Protect, and Spore. Pretty basic set there. Now, a new mon that I'm bringing this week, I'm not really sure if we're going to keep him around, but the gimmick kind of seemed pretty interesting, so I had to figure I would bring it. But we're going to bring a Choice Scarf Final Gambit set with Staraptor. Also has Tailwind, Double Edge, and Brave Bird with the Reckless ability, so it gets a boost for these two moves if I decide I want to use them. Choice Scarf is going to pretty much outspeed anything on his team, anything that would get thrown at me. You know, Staraptor is going to outspeed. We can at least get that turn 1 Tailwind set up. Or if we want to turn 1 Final Gambit something, we can do that too. Not really sure how useful this will be, but hey, we got it here. We're going to bring it. We're going to see how it goes. But that's the team for this week. Hopefully we'll pick up the W. And yeah, we'll switch it over to the battle. Alright, and here we are with the battle. Let's see what we got. So we got Hydreigon, Stonejourner, Annihilate, Slowbro, Gastrodon, and pretty much the team I was expecting, minus maybe the Stonejourner, but shouldn't be too bad. I think we'll go ahead and get Tailwind set up. And start Skeletors. Okay. Good luck, have fun. Mouse hold and Slowbro to start. Cool. I like this. Go ahead and get this. And I'm gonna go ahead and protect. See what he wants to do. Okay, we see a Terra Mouth to Ghost type. Okay. Get the Tailwind. Cool. Population Bomb. That's fine. We got the Tailwind up. Water Pulse. Okay. So I think I kind of want to go into Goldango, but at the same time I don't, because he's got poison. Or no, it doesn't matter, does it? Yeah, let's go into Goldango. And we'll go ahead and Psychic this. Or no, let's not Psychic that. Let's do Dazzling Gleam. And Earth Power? Cool. That thing's gone. See ya. Dango takes out High Dragon. That does good damage. Took out Staraptor. Not sure I got taken out by that. Alright. This thing is kind of a problem. But I'm gonna Dazzling Gleam and maybe we'll Protect and Earth Power, because he's probably gonna... oh shit. Okay, that's fine, we still get Protect. Picks up the KO on Slowbro. Alright. So that thing's plus, which is kind of scary. I think we're just gonna let something die. No, let's Terra, make it rain. Go ahead and Protect. Stonejourner has no special defense, so that thing's dead. Hopefully we don't get hit in confusion, which we do. Stone German protects. That's fine. Live. Kind of surprising, but we take those. And I think I'm just gonna. I think I'll just Torch Song, get the boost. The Stone Jar is done. Because he's gonna pick up the KO on Goldango here. Or did it just kill itself? It just killed itself. That's not good. And we'll give that KO to Gastrodon. Okay. Get the boost. We eat those. Okay. But we did get a special defense drop. So let's go into NDD. Cool, we got Annihilate. Mouse is gone too. That mouse is not gone. Whoops. Mouse is on the field. Rocky Helmet would have been good to have on NDD here, but it's fine. Follow me and get rid of this mouse hold. Population bomb is so annoying. But mouse hole's gone. Mouse hole took out Indeedee. Skeletors took out mouse hole. And then this thing is gonna take out mine. So Gastrodon takes out Skeletor. So we got Tusk and Breloom versus Annihilate Gastrodon. I feel like we should be good here. I'm not sure. I feel like we're okay. Yeah, because we can do this, and yeah, we'll do that. No Vital Spirit, which is great. Annihilate avoids it anyways. Tusk picks up the kill on Gastrodon. And then we can do this and do this. Braylon takes the KO. Cool. Good game one. I think I kind of played that kind of bad, but we got the win anyways. Got the win anyways. Alright. So I like getting the tailwind up early. But I don't know if he's gonna go mouse hold again. I think I'm gonna start with Goldango. Okay. Hydro down, mouse hold. Okay. Do I want Final Gambit into Hydreigon just to use it? Kind of want to, but at the same time I don't. So we'll just set up Tailwind, and actually he's probably gonna Terra Electric, isn't he? Because I know he likes to do that. So let's just do this and do this. Okay, there's the Terra Electric. Called it. Ooh. Okay, so Dango takes the KO on Hydreigon. And Mouse Hold is probably on Population Bomb, which is going to do nothing to Goldango. And then let's go into Braylon. Hopefully he doesn't go Slowbro. Nope, Sternberg. Already wasted his Terra. So we'll go ahead and Mach Punch. Make it rain. Wide guard. Okay. Good play. Mouse Hold is still gone. Cool. So here comes the Slowbro, which I don't really want to mess with, so we're just going to Protect and Psychic. If he's got Fire Blast, that's a great play. Fire Flamethrower. Okay, just Protect. Now will we see Flamethrower? Nope, we see Ice Beam. Cool. So let's Mach Punch. Make it rain. Quick Claw. Wide guard again. should have just Psychic again, but it's fine. Might lose Breloom here, which is not ideal. Yeah. And Wide Guard prevents me again from attacking. So Slowbro takes out Breloom. Okay. So what do we got left? Annihilate. Gastrodon. Okay. Let's go Tusk. Even if he wants to, yeah, go like this, because he's probably gonna protect again. Let me not do that. Let me go. Yeah, let me go like this, and go like this. If he protects, I don't kill it. If not, yeah. But it failed. Interesting. Why'd it fail? I don't know why that failed. Maybe because it used... No, because that wouldn't make sense. I don't know why that failed. Now this is kind of a problem. Well, I guess it's not really a problem, is it? We'll go ahead and Terra Grass. And do this. And do this. We may try to Rage Fist the Goldango, taking that out, but I think we're faster. We should be faster. Goldango is pretty speedy. Stomping Tantrum. Wow. Okay, there goes Gastrodon. And we have a 2v1 against Annihilate. Should have Rage Fist, my friend. Should have Rage Fisted. Cool. GG's. Another one in the books. Another win for the win column. Brings us up to, I believe, 4-0 for this season. So, good game. And we'll catch y'all next week. See ya.